Hello dear students, thanks for watching Yes Teacher. I am going to start a very first chapter of CBSE class 11 in computer science, that is computer overview. So we are going to learn the different type of things in this chapter. The first is computer's definition, means how to define a computer. Computer as a system, so means what does a system do and what is a system. So concept, how we can create the computer environment, so we will know what is a computer system concept. Next and final topic is computer organization. So if you like, means if you are getting some type of knowledge, quality and the skills from this video, so please do like it, do share it and do comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching as well. So question number 1 means, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device to which we can provide different data and instructions as input, and it can manipulate this data as per the given instructions and give the results as output. So you can say the raw facts and figures which are supplied to the computer, so that are known as the data. Suppose I have two subjects, the English subject and the computer. Suppose I am getting obtained marks out of maximum marks. So here is 30, suppose out of 40, 35 out of 40. So I have taken two subjects. The obtained marks are 30 in English and 35 in computer out of 40 in both subjects. So I want to transfer this data into the meaningful content or meaningful information. Suppose I want to find out the average here. So I need to add these two numbers as per the concept of average. So equals to 65. And then I need to divide the addition of these two numbers or the marks divided by 2 here, because I have two items only, two subjects only. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 0.25 ja 10. So this is the meaningful content here which is derived from this given data. So this entire process is known as the information processing cycle, or you can say this is the input, this is the processing, means process, and this is output. So the raw facts and figures, which are called data, can be transformed into the meaningful content, which is called as information. So the machine which can easily convert the given data as per the given instructions in meaningful content, so that machine is a computer. Or you can say in a very easy or very simple way, computer is a data processing device. In other words, we can say commonly operated machine, particularly used for technical educational research. Such type of machine which is used commonly and we can operate it, and particularly used for technical and educational research also. So that machine, that type of machine is also called a computer. Here, computer, we call computer as a system, means computer system. Most of the time we call as a system. So what does it mean? What is a system? When we have different elements, different factors, and we integrate them to make a such type of setup which can achieve an objective successfully. So that entire setup is called a system. Suppose I am a teacher with a school and I need to take the classes from different criteria. Suppose class 9th, class 10th, class 11th, class 12th. Okay, so I will receive a particular timetable. Suppose I have the first period number, and here is the class. Suppose first period I need to take in class 9th. The second period I need to take in 10th. And the third period I am supposed to go to the class 11. So without any communication, if I want to go to class 11 in period number 1, is it possible for me to make the successful entire class? No, it will not be able to, because we have the different resources. Means class 11 maybe have the different type of subject at that time. So I need to communicate, I need to provide the different communication to the different people, the different resources, so that we can work as a team. So the entire setup, entire team, entire functionalities are known as the system. So here in the case of computer, because this is a machine, so we have different type of hardware over there, like input hardware means input unit, output devices means output unit, memory devices means memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit devices, and the control unit. So control unit and ALU both all together are known as the CPU, central processing unit, which control everything and do the arithmetic related information work and the logic related work. So that's why we can say CPU as a brain of a computer. So you can see easily, so without any type of hesitation, without any type of doubt, we can say computer as a machine behave like a system, or computer is a system, because it has different parts, different hardware, different machines, and we have to integrate them all to achieve the different type of objective or the similar type of objective to make it successful. Now the next topic is concept. As we are going to work with the computer, so we need to make the computer environment completely. First I need to have a computer, so that is the hardware. So this is a machine. How is it possible it will work as per my instruction on my data? So this is not possible without the some type of instruction set, that is called the program, and the set of the programs is called a particular software. So we need to install a software here which is called the operating system. Operating system. So operating system creates an environment in which a user means can interact with the hardware, means with the computer, and the user will be able to understand the hardware, and hardware will be able to understand work with the user. So the environment or the particular means scenario which help you to operate the computer, or the software which help you to operate the computer easily, that is known as an operating system. So now suppose we have the different domain in our life. We need to solve the different type of work, different type of problem. We need to go the different type of offices. Suppose I want to go in the bank. So an employee who is working with the bank, he needs to or she needs to work with the bank software, not my software. Suppose I am a teacher, so I need to work with the different type of software which can make my students trained on the different type of software, like office related task, the programming related task, the different handling task, the designing task, the desktop publishing, etc. So I need the different type of software to handle my problems, and the computer which is used by the bank employee needs the different type of software to handle the banking system needs to handle. So here is such type of software which can handle the different type of problems, they are known as the application software. Next, suppose we have installed the operating system, we have installed the application software on the machine. So this computer is completed now. So we need a more factor, that is user. So a person who has the knowledge how to operate with computer, how to do work with computer, so that is also needed over there to make this particular environment completed. So that is the use. So here this was the all about discussion, all about everything, so computer system concept. Next we are going to talk about the computer organization.